shit! Verosika!
Blitzo.
I should have known you'd be here. I can smell fish for miles, which is odd because I believe the nearest ocean is 3 rings down!
And I should have known you'd be here when I heard the Amber Alerts.
Oh yeah? I'm surprised they let your fat ass out of rehab. I can see you're still a drunken whore, clutching onto that Beelzejuice bottle like it's the last cock in hell.
They let me out because I'm still famous, and rehab is for sad loser wash-ups. So your sister says hi.
Why are you parking here? This is the only parking spot my company has, so take your tampon race car somewhere else.
Actually, prick, it has my name on it. I'm doing a bit of freelance for one of the more infinitely successful companies in the building.
No
And they wanted
way.
to have me come in this week to lead their team during spring break.
A week? No, you are not parking here for a fucking week.
Aw, you mad, Blitzo? You gonna run off, leaving someone else to pay for the hotel room, steal their car, and run 3 rings to Wrath, and max out my credit cards on shitty horse riding lessons?
God damn it, whore, you will not let that go.
Choke on a sandpaper cock.
Hold on! You better move that pussy wagon right now, or I'm gonna...
You'll what?
Or I'll call HR.
Anyway, meet my new hellhound, Vortex. Unlike you, he actually does his job well. Ta-ta, fuckstain.
Ugh, I wasted so much time with a bag of holes like that.